When you first begin your research in the technological field, you're likely to encounter endless options that are hard to differentiate. Out of the vast array of career choices, the two most popular options booming in the tech industry are data scientist and software development. Both of these come with their own set of pros, cons, features, and of course, salary benefits. Let's understand data scientist and software development in detail. But before we start with the actual discussion, we would request you all to subscribe to Scale's channel and hit the bell icon to be notified every time there's a new insightful video. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. What is data science? Data science is a highly interdisciplinary field that majorly interprets information from both structured and unstructured data sets. Belonging to the technological field, you must have come across terms like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Remember, all of these fit under the same umbrella of data science. If we talk about examples of data science, have you ever used Google Maps? Asking Google Maps for directions between point A and point B, or asking Alexa to switch on the music player or turn off the lights. All of this is done by data science. Data science is a lucrative and in-demand career choice as this field continues to grow, and there are plenty of opportunities that indicate expansion. All you have to develop are the right skills and experience to become a data scientist. Let's further talk about software development. What is software development? Another high in-demand career choice in the tech industry is software development or software engineering. The name suggests that it refers to a set of computer activities solely dedicated to creating, designing, and deploying new programs, applications, systems, games, and other supporting software. Also, software engineers constantly patch and improve existing software programs to enhance efficiency and keep applications or websites up to date, attracting traffic. Software development is primarily conducted by software developers or engineers who apply basic principles to build software and solve the existing problems that might hamper the overall functioning. Differences between data scientist and software development. Let's understand this by example. If you're watching a video on YouTube, a software engineer is responsible for helping build this video on the audio player. Apart from the audio player, he is responsible for carrying out other significant tasks about promote user functionality. Let's search on Google, what is artificial intelligence? Google will reflect some pretty relevant results. This is data science. There's no need to waste your time while going through multiple links. However, the algorithm will shift through multiple datasets to find the most suitable articles matching your requirements. On the other hand, software development mainly focuses on creating, designing, and developing intuitive systems and software applications that help minimize the existing problems for people on the web. By now, you must have got a brief understanding of both fields. But as long as choosing a particular field is concerned, it is important to understand what they are capable of. Let's look at both of these even more closely. Now, let's talk about the topic that you all must be interested in before making the right choice. The average salary of both fields. The average salary of a data scientist is higher than that of a software developer, which is fair because data science is more complex and specialized field than software development. To hit your salary goal, one needs to learn extensive skills and do something like a master's or PhD to achieve a high level of proficiency. Let's look at some real numbers to give you a clear idea. According to Glassdoor, the average data scientist salary in India is 10 lakh per year. However, the numbers also vary depending on multiple factors, including individual experience, skills, and the company you're working in. And say, if you're working in a startup, your paycheck would be lesser than the one working in a well-established IT company. Talking about software engineering, the average software developer salary in India is 6 lakhs. According to the data by Glassdoor, there are variations from company to company depending upon your experience and skills. Let's understand the few languages that data scientists and software developers take very seriously to meet their exclusive targets. Below, we have mentioned a few languages that you should be aware of if you're planning to step in by any chance. Languages data scientists usually work on. Let's start by accepting this. Python continues to dominate. Though it conditions to dominate, it does not hold a monopoly in data science. Let's discuss other programming languages that play a considerable role in the lives of data scientists. Starting with Python. It is the world's most widely used language for programming languages. R, which is another best suited language for data mining. Julia, which has brought an unsaid revolution in the tech industry for quite some time now. C, C++, Java, Scala, JavaScript, SQL, Swift are other programming languages data science developers should focus on. Languages software developers usually work on. When it comes to software developers, there are endless programming languages that they should be a master of. Here we have discussed a few of them that could help you if you are looking to build a career. Let's get started. Java has been one of the most popular programming languages for the last 2 decades. Java has continued to break the preset notions when it comes to the tech industry. Java is useful to develop a scalable application in minimum time and effort. Python is one of the most desirable but toughest languages across schools and colleges. It is used as a scripting language as well as a proper object-oriented language for a large project. To name a few websites, Reddit is built on Python. Apart from these, other essential languages that play a crucial role in the life of any software developer are C, C++, Scala, and JavaScript. Whether you're planning to start your career as a software developer or already working in an organization, developing programming languages knowledge will help you scale out your everyday tasks with utmost efficiency and effectiveness. Now, when you have understood the differences between the two, it's essential to analyze the scope of work before making a robust choice. Here we have discussed the scope and presence of scenarios of both data scientists and software development. Let's get started. If we look 70 years back from today, technologies like big data are booming every day. An ample amount of data was being created and the requirement concerning such technology was at its peak. As time passed, frameworks were used in which these companies were storing data efficiently. Undoubtedly, the 21st century is ruled by data, and it is a complex task to store this data efficiently. With each passing year, the scope for data science is growing. With digitalization in almost all sectors, data scientists have a massive requirement as they know the art of tackling the massive amount of data that unprofessional candidates do not have. As organizations focus more on artificial intelligence, machine learning, or big data, there's a need to revolutionize. And data scientists are exactly doing that. They have made lives easier by evaluating multiple areas, enhancing quality, and enabling tasks through easy machines. Future scope of software development. India has the world's largest working population. However, the lack of skills and knowledge makes it difficult for employers to find the right talent at the right time. With 26.4 million software developers in the country, this career choice has become mainstream in India. Though the number of people is much higher than the available jobs, the latest study by McKinsey Global highlights that with India stepping into the digital age, digital technologies can create 65 million new jobs by 2025. So if you're planning to become a software developer, make sure to develop enough skills for a smoother hiring process as the competition is at its peak and 1,000 others are waiting for the same role. Let's understand a few other significant differences between both career options. Do you remember when there was no Google Map, or probably don't want to go back to them? You have to drive around the city to find the right lane, or you would ask the locals to direct you, which might be embarrassing at times. However, today with the introduction of data science, you just have to ask your phone to assist you through various roads to reach your destination. Open up your app development by a software engineer. Use the algorithm developed by a data scientist. Search your queries and find reliable solutions. And that's just how the concepts of data science and software development have a deep impact on your life. You all must be aware of Netflix. Have you ever thought about who developed the app or how you get your favorite movies or shows recommended? Well, it's all because of these two highly interdisciplinary technologies. The software developer develops the app Netflix. However, the algorithm it recommends your favorites is data science. Note, both data science and software development have had an equally tremendous impact on how business or our lives are operated worldwide. With this, we come to an end of our today's session about data scientists versus software development. Now that you have learned the significant differences between data scientists and software development and their career scope, we would love to hear your views about the same in the comment section below. If you guys have any queries or questions about what we discussed just now, you can leave them down in the comments below, and we would love to answer them all. Before leaving, let's quickly overview the data scientist versus software development that we just discussed. So firstly, we started by introducing the concept of data science and software development to you. Then we discussed the significant differences in detail that must have helped you differentiate the two, as at times it becomes difficult to understand the major differences between the two. Later, we'll briefly discuss languages that data scientists and software developers usually work on. By the end of the discussion, we grab the opportunity to talk about the present scenario and future scope that will help you make a better choice. In the end, we highlighted some other differences between both of them. Scalar has launched an exclusive data science program which was created based on insights from 100 data scientists working at 50 top tech companies. The program helps you tackle the toughest problems in data science and machine learning. Experience live classes from data scientists, mentorship from top industry experts, and work hands-on with 40 plus critical tech tools to solve for real-world business problems. Know more about the program by clicking on the link in the description below. If you have liked this video, don't forget to press the like button, share, and subscribe to Scalar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a video.